Good morning. Now let us proceed. Today we are going to study how rivalry between Mani and Rajam converted into friendship. Yesterday I explained that Mani was very upset with Rajam and he invited him at the bank of river Saryu to just decide that who is more powerful. Okay. And Mani had told him that he should not bring any weapon. Now in the evening, Mani and Swaminathan, they are sitting at the bank of the river, and Mani told his plan that first he had a plan to kill Rajam and throw his body into the river. Swaminathan was scared and he said no, he should not do that because Rajam is a son of police superintendent. Understand that? Okay, in the evening Mani came and he brought his clubs with him. What is club? Club is a mugdar. He brought it, fine. And after some time, Rajam also came. As soon as Rajam came, he brought a air gun with him, which is known as Sten gun also, which is used to shoot birds. Rajam came with air gun. As soon as he came, he fired a shot. Okay. Now Mani was startled. He was surprised to see the air gun. First time in his life, he was looking at it. So he was shocked. Okay. As soon as Rajam came, Rajam asked him, what is the reason of animosity? Why you are afraid? Why you want to fight with me? Then Mani said that you called me sneak. Do you understand what is sneak? A sneak is actually a thief. Fine. Rajam said, no, I never called you sneak. That means he denied this. Now, then Rajam said, okay, even if I said this, I don't mind being friends with you. See, he said, I don't mind. See, I won't mind being friends. Mani also said, nor I. And that was the end of the fighting. Now, who is the happiest person? This happiest person was Swami. Because actually Swaminathan was great admirer of Rajam. And he really wanted to become the friends. Understand? So he danced with joy. Okay. Now Rajam lowered his gun. Mani also dropped his clubs. Okay. Both of them, they shook hands. And now what was the happiest thing? That Rajam pulled out biscuits. Half a dozen biscuits from his pocket. During those days, biscuit was a new thing. Nobody knew what was biscuit. And for the first time in their lives, Mani and Swaminathan, they ate it. They tasted it. Now see what was the perfect combination. Mild rumbling of the river Saryu, people leaves, okay, and half light of the late evening, and the three friends eating, gossiping, and their faces were glowing with new friendship. Swaminathan felt at perfect peace with the world because his wish came true. Okay, so that is how their rivalry became friendship. Fine. And the question, very important, is that how the rivalry became friendship. You can see the questions are here. And this question is very, very important. I must tell you this one. First is, who was Rajam? This is very important. Who was Rajam? Why was Mani angry with him? I told you that because Mani jabbed, so Rajam also jabbed. Okay, because of that. And then 11th question. No, 9th question. Swaminathan broke into loud protestation. What were the protestation? Protestation was that he didn't want to kill him because he knew that Rajam was the son of police superintendent. And then 11th question, that is also very important. What did Mani think while he was sitting at the river bank with Swaminathan waiting for Rajam? So what was he thinking? He was thinking first to kill him and throw his body into the river. But then he decided not to kill him because he was actually very much scared of the ghost. He believed, suppose Rajam becomes a ghost and comes at night to scare him, what will happen? So he decided to break his limbs and throw his body into the river. So these three questions are very important. And when I come to the long question, so this one is important question. This one, wait a minute. This one. Describe in short the main characteristics of each of Mani's four friends. It is very, very important question. So everybody has to learn it. It's a very important question. This comes every year. Okay, so that's it today. Next day, that means tomorrow, I will start a new lesson. Okay, thanks.